Hi, welcome to ACCQ Continuing Professional Education. Now this time I'm going to talk about income taxation. This is Taxation 101, featuring income taxation of the individual. Now, this time the individual is a mixed income earner. Meaning to say, dalawa yung pinagkakakitaan niya or dalawa yung source of income niya. Meron sa trabaho or employer-employee relationship, which you can say as compensation income, and meron ring yung tinatawag na self-employed or yung business income niya. Okay? So, in the previous lesson that we had, no, isa lang yung pinagkukunan niya ng income. So that's why kung ano siya, kung compensation income, dun lang. If he's a self-employed, yun lang. But this time, dalawa, kaya tinawag na mixed income earner. But the same principle applies to a mixed income earner. Now, if you want to look at the video of the previous topic, there's a link below which you can watch later. No? This time, ito naman yung pagtuunan natin ng pansin. So, example is Mr. A had the following data for the year. So, meron siyang compensation. These same principles also apply. Pareho lang ng katulad nung sa employer-employee relationship, employer-employee relationship or compensation income, and dun sa self-employed. So, meron siya compensation income which includes 90,000 13th month. So, ibabawas natin mamaya. Ayan, pakikita natin mamaya sa computation. So, ang total ng niya, gross compensation income niya is 1.5 million. Now, from his store o dun sa business niya, meron siyang 2.4 million na gross sales. Non-operating income, 100,000. Cost of sales, 1 million. Operating expenses, 700,000. Required, Mr. A chooses any of these three. He can choose any of these three kung saan siya sabihin na natin makakabawas. No? It's more advantageous to him. No? So, he can either choose yung 8% tax. Incidentally, pag 8% ang pinili niya, kailangan yung gross sales niya sa loob ng isang taon hindi lalagpas ng 3 million. Okay? At hindi siya under ng value-added tax. Under lang siya ng percentage tax, which is below 3 million. So, pwede niyang gamitin yung 8%. Mas maliit na rate. And, he can also choose yung itemized deduction. Now, itemized deduction, it's more on yung bang actual na expenses niya, yung bang ibabawas doon sa gross sales niya. So, mamaya natin gagawin yan. And yung 40% OSD. So, we're going 40% OSD is the 40%, ito yung 40% of the gross sales. Yun yung magiging pinaka-expenses niya. Yun yung ibabawas doon sa gross sales niya. Now, we will take this 2 and 3 later. But first, we will take up yung number 1, which is Mr. A chooses the 8% tax. Okay, so this is the solution. Ito yung inaabangan mo. Okay, so solution. So this is the compensation income of Mr. A. Compensation income of 1,500,000. However, hindi lahat yan itatax mo. Ililes mo dito yung 13th month. Okay, so the 13th month should be deducted for 90,000. So this would be your taxable income of 1,410,000. Okay. Now this 1,410,000, look at the table here. Ito yung taxable income, no? So it's over 800,000 but not over 2 million. So therefore, ang tax is 130,000. Ayun, no? Ayun. Yan. And then, in addition to that, mag-a-add pa tayo 30% of the excess of 800,000 or the minimum range. So kung 1,410,000 yan, 1,410,000, this would be deducted by the minimum range of 800K. So ang matitira is 610,000 10,000. So multiply by 30%, that would give you much 183,000. So magkano yan? This would be 313,000. All in all, ito yung babayaran niyang tax dun sa compensation. Paano naman dun sa business niya? Okay, so ito naman yung sa business niya. So meron siyang gross sales. Okay, gross sales of 2,400,000. Yan. Now, kailangan pa ba natin mag-deduct ng 250,000 dyan kung 8% yung pinili niya? Pwede tayong mag-deduct ng 250,000 kung hindi nagamit dito sa compensation income. Isang beses lang natin gagamitin yun. So therefore, hindi na natin pwedeng gamitin yon kasi ginamit na rito. Ayun. No? So na-deduct na yung 250,000 dito. So, i-add na lang natin instead. So wala na tayong i-deduct na mga expenses dito. Ang i-add na lang natin instead yung non-operating income or NOI, no, which is 100,000. This 100,000 would be added to 2.4 million, would give you 2.5 million pesos. Okay, so that would be, anong tawag dyan? Taxable income. Now, this taxable income would be multiplied by 8%. You see, mabababa yung rate. So, magkano yung makukuha niyan? So, it's only 200,000. So, 200,000 yung tax na babayaran niya dito sa business niya, business income. So, 200,000 plus 313,000, ang total tax na babayaran niya is 513,000. Yan. So, there you go. This is how to compute for a mixed income earner using the 8% income tax. Now, in the next video, I'm going to teach you the number 2 and number 2 and number 3, which is the itemized deduction and the 40% OSD or optional standard deduction. But for now, stay at home, stay safe, and God bless.